In this short tutorial, you will learn how to disable time-sensitive notifications on Instagram. Time-sensitive notifications are the ones that alert you about posts or stories from people you follow. They are designed to keep you updated in real time, but some users may find them overwhelming. If you find these notifications distracting or annoying, you can easily disable them. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. After that, scroll down again, and find and tap Instagram. Once you are on this page, you'll see the time-sensitive notifications option. Time-sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. To disable time-sensitive notifications on Instagram, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.